go to choose new. After that, I can go to create, choose the browser in the English folder. Now I can able to choose the electrical default matrix. So after that, just press. Now you can able to see your electrical model is open. That electrical template is open here. So what is the next? You can go for the yeah, next you can go for insert to go to Revit link. In the Revit link, you can find out your model in the which folder you can put it. So that folder you can able to find out here. So in the folder you can able to find, but don't forget the position you have to go to find out center to center or something. You can just apply first. So when you apply the model, now the model is linked. This is called host model. So when you did this one, after that you can select the model, go to properties and go to find out the type edit. In the edit type, you can find out the room bounding and you can go to find out apply and OK. So after that, you can go back to analyze. In the analyze, you can go to find out the space. In the space, first of all, you can just select somewhere one room. After that, you can go for the automatically. So now it's automatically get it from here. After that, you can go back to the space naming. In the space naming, you can just press OK. Now you can able to find your architectural names. You can able to find your model. So this is the first step, how you can able to create the space. Yeah. Now you can go back to your elevations. Now see, for example, the system already generated to two levels here, but in the architecture you have one more level is available. So what you have to do it now, you have to create this model, but this level, but here you have to find one thing. See here, the level 0 and level 1 it's already in the architecture. Here you can find out this is level 1 and level 2. So better you can change the same name, it's better. Now you can go for this one is level 0 and you can go to find out this one like a level 1. So better you can keep the same name, its name is better. So after that, you can go to find out here in the collaborate. In the collaborate, you can go to find out the copy monitor. You can select the link somewhere in this architecture link you have to select it. So when you select the architecture link only, you can able to find out the copy monitor tool. This tool you can able to select this one. So now it will be automatically copy monitor to your file. So now you can able to drag it up to the same alignment to your uh, electrical levels. So now it's showing black. So what you have to do it, you can go back to view. In the view, you can go to find out the floor plan. In the floor plan, you can able to get it from here. Okay, right. So after that, the same view, you can go to find out the reflected ceiling plan also. You can get it from here. Right. After that, what will happen? Now you can able to find, you can go to so now we did two things. Now you can select here in the power, it automatically available in the level 2. But in the ceiling, in it is in the coordination. You can go to find out here, you can go to level 2, press the level 2. After that, don't forget, you should be go to find out the discipline. The discipline should be electrical. After that, the sub-discipline is lighting. So when you apply this one, now you can able to get it from here. At the same time, now we don't have the floor plan from here. So in the floor lighting, so you can go back to again the plan view. You can go back to the again the plan view. Again, you can go to choose the floor plan. But the floor plan is not showing the level 2. Why? We already selected. So you can go to find out this tick. You can go to find out the level 2 and apply. Okay, right. After that, what happens is automatically reflected in the power layout. So what you have to do it again, you can go back to your view template, choose it like a none. You have to choose it none and apply. In the none, when you apply the none, now you can able to select this level 2 copy. Go to find out the discipline is electrical. Okay. Sub discipline, you can make it like a lightning. So now you can able to find lightning also you have three levels, ceiling also three levels, power also three levels. So you can able to go to find out your lighting plan. It will be available like that. So after that, don't forget in the lightning, you can go to ceiling. You can able to go to find out the system. In the system, in the lightning, you can able to choose it. In the lightning, go to, don't forget in the place on face. Okay. After that, go to edit. You can go to duplicate and go to create any name. At the same time, don't forget you have to create the same name from the edit type mark also. So after that, you can go for 600 by 600. Okay, right? Apply. So now see, for example, after that you can able to apply this one here. See, after that, you can go to VV. In the VV, you can go to find out the you should be apply only the electrical, and after that go to filter. In the filter, you can go to add. You can go to find out. You remember we put L001 the name, and after that here you can able to find out here the lighting fixes. So this is under the family name. You can go to find out here the type mark. You remember we put the CL1 in the type mark. Here you can go to equal and make it like the same name here and apply OK. When you apply this one, you can go to add, so it will be available here. So you can apply here, and don't forget you can go to find out the pattern. You can choose the pattern here, and you can able to put any type of color as per your wish. After that, you can just apply and OK. So now you can able to find out this is the filter you can able to create. Okay.